Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world.
For today, I am going to be guiding you on making money with Coinbase, specifically $100 a day. Don't worry, I will walk you through it step by step. Coinbase is a great place to start. After that, we'll talk about how to make money with this app and the best investments you can make on Coinbase. If you're not familiar with Coinbase, it is the most popular cryptocurrency exchange in the United States, featuring an easy-to-use app and website. It also allows users to buy, sell, trade, and exchange a wide range of cryptocurrencies. It's a very simple interface to work with, although they charge a higher amount of fees for each transaction in comparison with the other crypto exchanges available. It's quite simple to sign up for a Coinbase account. You just need to enter your basic personal information and some verifications to support your authenticity. Basically, you'll need to establish your identity to get started. Once you've done that, you'll be able to move around the app with ease. Now that you have your account, let us go over some of the features that you can take advantage of to start earning money. Now, you can either access Coinbase on your phone or your desktop computer, but I suggest using a computer to maximize your options and the available features. To start off, earn and claim rewards around the website. You'll obtain your first $5 in free crypto by setting up a recurring buy that you can locate on the homepage. You have to deposit at least $50 in your account and invest it, and definitely get a larger return of investment when you do it at the right moment. What I'll show you next are the Coinbase rewards. The benefit of this is that it allows you to explore many avenues for increasing your return on investment. Coinbase rewards is a place where you can keep your crypto safe. Regardless of how much you put in, you'll be rewarded with interest. Cosmos is now at 5%. Tezos at 4.63%, DAI at 2%, and the USD coin is at a whopping 15.15%. That's quite a range. On the other hand, the Learn program is another option that I think you should really examine, which falls under Coinbase Earn. Here, you may practically attend free seminars or lessons on the platform. The lectures only last a few minutes long, but they are pretty informative in teaching you about cryptocurrencies and how it operates. The great thing is, they will be rewarding you with free crypto after completing the lessons. So, that's another plus. However, they reduce the amount you'll receive for regulation since many individuals often overuse this feature. For transparency, I just want to clarify that the entire purpose of this video is to learn how to start earning $100 a day right away. But I should say that you might not be able to regularly earn $100 a day since everything is inconsistent and unsteady in crypto. There are times where you'll gain more and days where you'll lose some. In that sense, it just implies that everything hinges on the conditions of the market and the degree to which your holdings are well structured. Moving on. So basically, if you want to make money using Coinbase, you should start by claiming the numerous freebies available on the site. You may not make $100 a day through these methods, but they're a good place to start. As a first step to consistently making money from your investment, it is important to understand how investments function. Investing to generate recurring income requires an initial outlay, which is the most critical consideration. To earn your first $100 a day on any platform, you'll need some startup funds, which will take some time to accumulate. So better save up now instead of acquiring it by other means. You should learn how to create an extra source of income and manage your budget, so that through time, you will be able to make recurrent investments in particular cryptocurrencies, which is also known as dollar cost averaging. If this term seems alien to you, then allow me to explain the concept of dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is an incredible technique for reducing investment costs, while also minimizing the associated risk. This means that when stock prices are low, you buy more, and if prices are high, you buy less. In that case, you will be placing a certain amount of money into the market over time. As a result, investors may avoid market volatility by dividing their investments into equal parts for a certain length of time, which further minimizes the risk. Now, before we move on to the video, I just want to ask, have you tried dollar cost averaging before? If you did and have some tips, suggestions, and recommendations about it, then let us know your thoughts and experiences in the comment section below. And now, back to the video. A simple starting point for dollar cost averaging is to choose an investment and an investment amount that you can stick to consistently over the course of a day, a week, or a month. DCA might be quite stressful, but it's all a matter of patience on your part, and you'll see significant results through time. You have to know that your options are limited depending on your financial situation. Investing 10% to 20% of your money in the stock market is a good strategy for those who are just starting off and want to invest just a little bit to try. Now, it's important to note that your gains could blind you and you might get carried away. Always think smart and please do not use entirely all of your savings because you might regret it in the end. I strongly advise you to think twice before engaging in it. For a long-term return on your investment, you must grasp the fundamentals and adhere to a strict set of rules that will protect you from being scammed and will help you avoid getting bankrupt. Moreover, I strongly urge you to set up a recurring purchase. On Coinbase, if I click on a one-time buy, I'll be taken to a page where I may select every day, every week, and every 15th of the month. If you're really passionate about it, you might opt to invest as little as possible every day, and your investment will be compounded over the course of a year. During 2020, Bitcoin was about $700, and if you have invested it during that time, a year later would give you 675% returns. So, if you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin in 2020, your original $1,000 investment would be worth $6,500 over the course of a year. The returns are unbelievably and overwhelmingly high. Going further back, the price of Bitcoin has risen 53,000% since 2014. In other words, if you put $1,000 into the account during that time, you would have more than $500,000. Many would argue that it is already too late. Nonetheless, evidence shows that we hit an all-time high in 2021 and numerous predictions about a spike this year, as well as bull runs that have gained 675% since the beginning of 2021. In my perspective, I am quite bullish. To sum up the things that we have discussed so far, all you have to do is put your money into an investment and hope for the best, knowing that it will produce passive increased income. We'll be experiencing massive returns or fewer than normal, but that's typical in the crypto market, and this sort of risk will be mitigated by using dollar cost averaging. Furthermore, you don't have to limit yourself only to Bitcoin and explore many other options out there. With a variety of cryptocurrencies available, you can see some of these in the Coinbase homepage itself. If you look at the Coinbase website, you'll see that there are particular coins that give staking rewards. If you click on a specific coin, you can see their technical analysis chart, which shows market cap, volume, price change, and more. It basically gives you an idea or an overview of its movement that you can use to help you decide which cryptocurrency to invest in. Here, you can look at its history, the past, present, and the future trends that you can observe. A few reminders. Slowly begin to build your investment portfolio, little by little. I hope this video gave you the motivation to start investing and getting to know more about how everything operates. Take your time and don't stress about it too much when you're investing. If you let it grow and compound, you'll be astonished at how much it amounts to over time. We are at a period where we have the potential to improve our lives and make smart financial decisions by looking at some investments and recognizing the possibility that awaits by learning how to invest a small amount of money and seeing where it goes. That is why crypto is a good way to start. That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.